First bike.
The Cruiser Beast of FAM Philippines. Wala iba kundi yan, the Glider 500S!
Mission, ayan. Alright guys, so isa sa mga ipinunta natin dito sa Makina Moto Show is naimbitahan tayo ni FKM or ni Fecon. So dahil alam nila na bumili tayo ng Fecon Venture 150, ayan, naimbitahan nila tayo sa unveiling nila dito sa Makina Moto Show. So mag-unveil sila dito ng dalawang motor, ayan. Ayan.
Maxi Scooter from FKM Philippines.
Alright. First bike.
Leslie 400. Okay, let's go.
Wow! 400cc scooter.
400. Slick 400.
Slick 400.
4-stroke. 400 cc. Engine displacement with maximum torque of 37 Newton meters at 6,000 RPM. It gives maximum horsepower of 27 kWh at 7,700 RPM. And it driven by automatic transmission CVT. Ang kanyang fuel system has 13.5 liters truck capacity and equipped with fuel injector. Front tires of 120 by 70 by 14 and its rear tires of 150 by 70 by 30. In front suspension of telescopic fork with double shock absorber on its rear suspension. And both front and rear brakes are equipped with anti-brake system. Again, this Maxi scooter has 216.6 centimeters of length, 77 centimeters of width, 136.6 centimeters of height. Its wheelbase has 154.8 centimeters with the seat height of 74.5 centimeters, with a ground clearance of 14 centimeters, and lastly, the Sleek 400. So you can take a time to take photos later on dahil hindi lang yan ang naasahan natin ngayong hapon. Dahil meron pa tayong inaantabayan ng motorsikla. Again, Sleek 400. But of course, hindi lang yan pipilihan ka.
Nakikita ko sa likod ng tela. Pwede ko lang hulaan sa likod ng tela.
Again, nandito sa ating left side, makikita natin.
Cruiser. Kilis.
Kaya naman hindi na natin matataglit pa. Again, I am inviting everyone to please turn on your cameras and dito i-point natin ang ating mga cellphones and cameras. Yan. Let us all witness the Cruiser Beast of FAM Philippines. Wala iba kundi yan, the Glider 500S!
Wow.
Again, the Glider
Wow, 500. Putsang ina.
underneath its sleek exterior lies an 8-valve liquid.
Ang bangis, double disc brake.
4-stroke engine with a displacement of 500cc.
May canister yung kanyang suspension, no? USD.
A torque of 50.2 Newton meters at 6,500 RPM.
Parallel twin. Double overhead cam.
Tapos yan. A fuel capacity of 14 liters, boosting
Wow,
a manual
bangis.
transmission. This Glider 500S offers wheelbase of 154 centimeters, a height of 705 centimeters, and a ground clearance of 15 centimeters with a firm weight of 200 kilograms. Again, let us all welcome the Beast Cruiser, the Glider 500. Ayan, so we would like to invite every one of you, of course, na pwede nyo nang lapitan yung ating mga motorsiklo and you can take photos with our newly renovated motorcycle. Again, thank you so much on behalf of FKM Philippines for inviting me here and being your host for this event. And of course, hindi lang yan magtatapos dahil gusto ko rin pasalamatan ang ating staff and admins of FKF. Of course, ang ating media partners, vloggers. Thank you so much sa pagpunta. Again, we are welcoming all of you na picturean, videohan yung ating bagong mga motorsiklo.
Okay, so basahin natin ang specification ni Glider 500S. Dito muna, pahiram muna nito. Akin muna to. Papasahin ko lang. Ayan. So, twin cylinder, 8 valve liquid cooled, double overhead cam for 4-stroke 500cc, 39 kilowatts. Ayan. Fuel injected, manual, 6-speed, manual transmission. Ayan.
Ako yung first owner ng Glider 500.
Naging Glider 150 ah. Naging Glider 150 sa'yo ah. The specification naman ni Slick 400. Ayan.
Sa lahat ng mga medias, content creators.
400cc, 21 kilowatts, 33 newton meter. Fuel injected automatic CVT belt driven. At ayan.
We would like to call on our
Suspension, tires, braking systems, and wheelbase dimension. Ayan. Ang laki ng visor niya.
Content creators na nakasama natin.
Tapos yung upuan niya is one piece seat lang. Ang laki din.
To call on sir.
Ayan. Activated pala siya. May battery pala siya.
Dito ba yan? Dito?
Ayan. I think meron din siya lagayan na rito ng ano, no? Or hindi siguro. Ayan. Ang laki niya sa 400cc, no? Ang lapad. Ang parang ang dami niyang ang dami niyang lagayan. Tapos meron siyang dalawang side pocket. Tapos yung kanyang dash is analog digital. Ayan. Ayan.
Sir Iki Moto.
So aside dito sa mga in-unveil nila, meron din tayong Falcon dito, 400. At dito yung ating mga scooter like
Sir Iki Moto.
Labi,
Please proceed to the front.
Fyro 175,
Sir Iki Moto.
Slick 150. Ayan. Ito meron tayong ganito, Venture 150. Kulay gray yung atin, ganun no. Ayan. Ito white with orange decals pati mugs niya. Orange. Meron tayong Rev X 125. Ayan. Victorino 250. Kilala ko to. Basta V-engine. Ayan no. Ito pala yung Ultimate Edition ni Venture. Meron na siyang camera din dito no. Yung sa atin meron din yon, ready to install. Next, 3GP, ang sports bike ni Fecon. Ayan. So ito 300cc. And then ito yung isang kulay ni Falcon 400X. Ayan, kulay orange. So ayan, congrats Fecon sa inyong bagong nilaunch na motor, Glider 500 at Slick 400. Ayan. So kung nagustuhan niyo yung video natin, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification para updated kayo pag may bago tayong video. Ride safe and see you on my next one.
May bigay natin yung